welcome to our channel, you guys. We are heading to Lake Tahoe, and we are going to be staying at the newly renovated Caesars Republic, formerly known as Harvey's. And we stayed when it was Harvey's a couple of years ago, and they were kind of in the midst of trying to transform the place. So while our room was okay last time, the property itself,
disjointed.
Yeah, it was very disjointed. So we're very curious to see what it looks like now and what the rooms look like, and we will be sure to take you along for the ride and hopefully get some wins in the casino too. We got checked in early, which was awesome. I think it's like 1 o'clock.
Yeah, it is.
It's so cool. It's very busy, so we were very lucky to get in. Here is right away the closet area. And safe. So coming in, got a full-length mirror for here, and really good sized bathroom. So there's a little vanity area. Just a little stool, kind of cool. Nice sink and vanity, shelving. And the toilet is separate, which is nice. Everything seems so clean.
Yeah, this is definitely newer.
Yeah, so we have the shower. The tile looks new and everything, right?
Yeah, it does.
Do you want to check the pressure?
Yeah, let's see.
We always like to, oh, I'm in the way. It's funny, it goes that way. So I might not be a good hair washing.
Yeah.
You can tell.
Yeah, I did say it's a 7.
Okay, yeah, we'll let you know at the end of the video what we thought, but yeah, it doesn't look like a ton of pressure, but very nice.
Yeah.
Very, very nice bathroom. It's really big, really good size. And over here, they do have a Keurig and mugs, actual mugs, not little paper cups, which is more typical. Little fridge. Is it cold?
Yes, it is.
It's cold, all right. Very nice TV. It
Very
looks
nice. Centrally located.
Expensive snacks and alcohol.
Don't
if
touch.
You're interested, don't pick it up. Don't recommend that. And we have 2 queen beds. We wanted to be on a higher floor, so we're on the 15th floor. But beds look very nice. you know, everything is really clean and feels new and refreshed for sure. Little seating area. And we do have
the golf course, mountains.
A view of the lake. It's kind of a peekaboo, but we've got it there. It's beautiful today. And going all the way around. A lot of golfers out. And there's valleys, but it's just so beautiful here. It really is a beautiful area. If you haven't been to Lake Tahoe, definitely recommend it. So coming back just to look, if you can get the scope of the room, it's really good size.
It's a great size.
It's
great size bathroom.
Yeah.
And I love the giant window.
Agree.
That's
Yeah.
a big deal for me.
No, it's very nice. Carpet looks newer too, right?
It does,
Since last time? Yeah.
Wallpaper.
Yeah. Agree. So our first impressions, very positive.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. We'll definitely let you know what we think about our stay here, and we'll check in with you later. Okay, we lugged all our stuff up to our room, and we are gonna head down to the Rat Valleys in Lake Tahoe, and Mr. G3 just landed triple major, and the major's $927 to trigger the folding spin.
Let's see what we get. See what we get.
Baby. Come on, baby.
Let's go.
That is insane. Oh, I hope it doesn't just.
I know, die.
Yeah. Although you'll get 3 more spins.
Oh my!
Okay.
$50.
I thought it was
I'm
more.
on pennies. I'm on pennies.
That's a crazy. Oh, pennies. $2.50 head.
Okay, $5.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, it's still going.
Come on, baby. How about another word?
Yeah.
Oh no. Come on.
Come on, one more.
Come on.
Oh.
You know, I think it's okay.
It's all right.
Oh my gosh, that is just, I cannot believe that. $927, 3 times. Oh my, that's beautiful. It's beautiful, Tom. It's
It's so
beautiful. Wow. And you still have more. You got a $125 ball, a 50.
Yeah.
It's quite beautiful, Tom. I can't believe you picked that.
It really is.
Oh,
One major would have been great.
no kidding. We'll take 3.
We'll take 3.
That's just so pretty. Good job, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's a thing of beauty.
It really
It is
is.
a thing of beauty, folks. Absolute beauty. Let's see what else you got.
And that was my last spin.
Oh, you were on free spins.
I think so. Free spins. Oh no, maybe not.
We are, thank you. He's doing real good now.
And another 200. God, that $125 ball is
I
beautiful.
know. Yeah, can you hit it, man?
Just under 3,000.
29.88. 10K time, folks. Awesome.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20, 40, 60, 80, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 90, 80,
Thank you. Hang on, this is for you guys.
Hey, you guys, we are wrapping up our first day here in Tahoe, and oh my gosh, well, as you saw, that day ended insane. I mean, we were getting absolutely wrecked.
Every
at the
place we went,
casinos.
we just lost.
We were on such a losing streak.
Bad streak.
And then at one point, Tom texted me, we were at Bally's, and he's like, you got to come over to Phoenix Link. And I cannot believe that you hit that triple major. That was just, and that it was in the 900s. It wasn't like 500 bucks either. So it was almost $3,000 as you saw. So that was great topping of the day.
Yeah, it was a great way.
And we still had a great day.
Yeah.
I mean, it
was fun.
Gambling wise wasn't great, but you saw we got checked into our room early. Our room's fantastic. We were still full from breakfast in Reno at that Hannah's table. So we didn't even want dinner last night, but then like, of course, at like 9:30 we're hungry. So we got a burger to go, you know, just to have something. So
It was great.
Yeah, it was good. Yeah, it was actually very good at Brew Brothers. So, which we've had mixed results at the different locations, but it was easy and everything else. So, but it turned out great. So, day one, huge success. Oh my goodness. So, we are looking forward to seeing what comes tomorrow. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.